dahil weekend at long holiday, magtusok-tusok tayo. Fishball, ano meron tayo? Kikiam, squid ball, at meron tayong siomai. Yan, tapos magtimpla tayo ng napakasarap na milk tea natin. Magawa tayo ng 2 baso. Ilagay muna natin dyan.
Oh my god! Tita, I got 20 gems!
Yan. Sarap nito. Sarap sana kung meron tayong ano. Siyempre. You want some? Ayan. Siyempre, tikman natin. Sarap. Milk tea without the guilt.
What kind of milk is that? Chasey barley milk tea.
Let's go, kain na tayo. Sauce ni Manong.
Yes.
Did they have the purple one in it?
Parang Pinas lang. Yeah.
Ba't hindi pa sa Pinas?
May lemon na to.
Apa?
Ano pa? Lagyan mo lemon. Ay. Palagyan ng lemon, babe.
Ayun si Pinso.
Nakita mo.
What's that then? She's showering.
Hot. Chicken. Manong sauce.
That's thick.
Sarap.
This is snacks.
Sarap.
Enjoy.
This is this. Hey, use it.